All right, guys, so today well, yesterday, with the help of some homies, we're able to load up finally. This is my K24 from JDM, California. It's a RBB3, and I bought this probably like a year ago, and it's been taking me quite a while just to kind of accumulate all the parts. I did remove the headers, so the header, so it's right here, it's removed. I did install, switch over the USDM VTEX on it because it doesn't have a oil pressure switch. On this side, I did swap over the water neck just in case I need it from the JDM one from a USDM TSX. So it's right here. I did remove the transmission fly plate, or whatever you want to call it. The rear main seal looks pretty good. I left the starter on there. I did remove this side of the intake manifold just to kind of save some space. I don't think we're going to need it. And here we did remove the JDM water pump housing. I did source a USDM one from a Honda Accord with the tensioner, EP3 idler pulley, and also a brand new water pump. So, and I did extract this bolt from the JDM one to the USDM one because it's shorter. I did replace the gasket in here, the gasket screen, and also this is our CRV post mount for the case swap. Pretty much from there, that's pretty much it, guys. That's everything I've done to the engine since. So today, hopefully, we'll be taking this to UpNextMotorSports in San Diego. It's gonna be quite a trip. Oh, also, that, you know, the engine's pretty secure. Also, so over here we have K20Z3 6-speed transmission, and it's right here, nice and beautiful. We do have the K-tune bracket to use for the Honda Accord cables I have, and this is a 6-speed with factory LSD, and we're going to be using this on the K-swap. Also did source flywheel as well, and over here somewhere it's the water. That's the water pump over there. Sorry guys, my neighbors decided to hit me up and start chatting as I was trying to load up the car, load up the truck. And here so far we have everything loaded up. I'm just waiting to strap down the transmission. Engine's tied up, everything right here. We have everything that we may need. PLM header, just a bunch of stuff. So just waiting for Alex, we can double check the load and get out of here. Hopefully the engine doesn't fall over, I'm hoping. So we'll play it by ear.
Clean. I was partying for like 3 straight nights.